Let's cut through the hype. There's a lot of noise in the crypto world, and it's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but what's really going on with Shiba Inu right now? Everyone's watching Shiba Inu, but is it truly on the verge of a breakout, or is this just another wave of speculation? The headlines are everywhere, and the community is buzzing with anticipation. Social media is lighting up with predictions, and forums are filled with both hope and skepticism. Shiba Inu's journey has been a wild ride. Early believers saw life-changing gains, while others have waited through long, quiet stretches, wondering if the next big move will ever come. But this time, something feels different. There's real momentum, not just wishful thinking. The numbers are shifting and the energy in the market is palpable. Behind the scenes, SHIB is making strategic moves and the community is stronger than ever. Developers are rolling out new features, and partnerships are being formed that could change the game. We're here to break down what's actually happening, so you can make smart decisions. It's not just about hype, it's about facts, strategy, and timing. The crypto market is like an unpredictable ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes wild. Volatility is the name of the game, and fortunes can change in an instant. SHIB has shown it can ride those waves, but now it's aiming to make its own. The question is, will it succeed in setting a new trend? This isn't just about hoping for another pump, it's about understanding the real changes that could give SHIB lasting value. We're talking about utility, innovation, and a roadmap that actually leads somewhere. If you're holding SHIB or thinking about it, now's the time to pay attention. The next few weeks could be critical for the project's future. The days of meme coins with no plan are fading. Investors are demanding more, and only the strongest projects will survive. Projects with vision, a strong team, and a loyal community will win. It's about building something that lasts, not just chasing the next pump. Shiba Inu's checking those boxes, but the details matter. We'll look at what's really driving this momentum, and what could make or break SHIB's future. We'll walk you through what's changing, so you can see the bigger picture. Let's dive in and uncover what's next for Shiba Inu. Let's look at the numbers, because in the world of crypto, numbers often tell the real story. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just crypto curious, price action is usually the first thing people check. It's no surprise, price is what everyone cares about. But there's more to the picture than just a number on a screen. As of October 10, 2025, SHIB is showing renewed life after a long period of consolidation. The token has started to break out of its sideways pattern, hinting at a possible new trend. Trading volume is climbing, a classic sign that something big could be brewing. More buyers and sellers are entering the market, and that kind of activity often precedes major moves. SHIB has broken through key resistance levels, building investor confidence and attracting attention from traders who may have been waiting on the sidelines. Each push past resistance is like a beach ball finally breaking the surface. Momentum can build fast, and when it does, it can catch even experienced investors off guard. Market cap matters too. SHIB remains a top crypto, holding its ground against newer projects and staying relevant in a rapidly changing landscape. This stability shows SHIB isn't just a passing trend, it's built a solid foundation, with a loyal community and ongoing development that keeps it in the spotlight. Another key factor is the burn rate, which is becoming increasingly important for SHIB's long-term value. Every transaction on Shibarium sends some SHIB to a dead wallet, shrinking supply and making each remaining token a bit more scarce. It's like a company buying back its own stock. Fewer tokens in circulation can mean more value for those who hold on. The burn rate is rising, thanks to new projects and increased activity on Shibarium, which is driving more transactions and more burns. While daily burns might seem small at first, over time, this steady deflationary pressure could have a huge impact on price, especially as adoption grows. SHIB's fundamentals are stronger than ever, with a growing ecosystem, active development, and a community that refuses to quit. The numbers tell a story of resilience, adaptability, and real potential for the future. Let's take a closer look at what's driving this momentum behind the scenes and why SHIB's story is far from over. Critics called SHIB a meme, but the devs have been quietly building a real ecosystem. The biggest shift? Real utility, actual reasons to use SHIB and its tokens. A new privacy layer is coming to Shibarium, using ZK proofs for secure, anonymous transactions. This is top-tier tech, showing SHIB is serious about competing. The SHIB metaverse is moving from promise to reality, with land sales and previews already live. It's like the early days of the internet, digital land, new experiences, and a fresh economy. SHIB, Bone, and Leash will all play roles in this new world. These projects tie SHIB's value to real use, not just hype. The devs are building the infrastructure for a digital nation. SHIB is evolving from meme coin to utility coin. Shibarium is the engine powering SHIB's future, but it's more than just a technical upgrade. It's a bold step forward, transforming what was once a meme coin into a thriving, innovative ecosystem. Think of it as a multi-lane expressway running parallel to Ethereum's crowded highway. Faster, more affordable, and just as secure. It's designed to handle massive traffic without slowing down, making it accessible for everyone. Since its launch, Shibarium has attracted a wave of new projects, from blockchain games and NFT marketplaces to DeFi platforms and community tools. Developers are flocking to build on this new foundation. Each project adds real value, increases the number of transactions, and burns more SHIB tokens, reducing supply and strengthening the ecosystem. It's a self-sustaining cycle. More projects mean more activity, which leads to more SHIB being burned, creating a positive feedback loop that benefits everyone involved. Imagine a shop mall, at first empty, then gradually filling with new stores, bustling customers, and vibrant energy. That's how Shibarium is growing, one project at a time. This kind of organic expansion, built on real utility and community participation, is far more valuable than any hype-driven pump or short-term speculation. Shibarium's success proves the team can deliver on their promises, boosting investor confidence and attracting even more talent and capital to the ecosystem. It's the solid foundation for ambitious future plans, like building a SHIB metaverse, launching privacy upgrades, and enabling new forms of digital interaction. For SHIB holders, the real metric to watch isn't just price, it's the growth in wallets, transactions, and the number of projects joining the network. These are the clearest signs of a healthy, expanding ecosystem that's built to last. The infrastructure is here, the community is building on it, and together, they're turning vision into reality. That's what real progress looks like. No matter how strong SHIB's ecosystem is, Bitcoin still sets the pace. Bitcoin is the sun. When it shines, altcoins like SHIB thrive. Lately, Bitcoin's stability has created a calm market, giving SHIB room to grow. If Bitcoin crashes, even the best SHIB news won't matter much. The next big event? Bitcoin's halving, which historically sparks massive bull runs. When Bitcoin surges, money often flows into altcoins. This is when SHIB has seen its biggest gains. There are no guarantees, but the stage is set for another explosive cycle. A strong Bitcoin plus SHIB's ecosystem growth is a powerful combo. Timing could be everything. SHIB's secret weapon is its community, the SHIB Army. On-chain data shows holders are keeping their SHIB longer, signaling real conviction. Many are in profit but aren't selling, reducing market pressure and building a stable base. Recent trading volume is driven by accumulation, not panic selling. Whales are buying up SHIB, betting on future growth. This pattern often comes before big upward moves. The SHIB Army is active online, spreading news and keeping SHIB in the spotlight. Grassroots support like this is priceless and keeps SHIB relevant. Strong community plus positive data is a bullish sign. So, what's your move? Crypto is exciting, but you need a plan. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Risk is real. Do your own research. This video is a start, but dig deeper. Follow official SHIB updates and learn about new projects on Shibarium. Understand Bitcoin's halving and its impact on the market. The more you know, the less you'll be swayed by hype or fear. Decide your timeline, quick profit or long-term vision. Dollar cost averaging can help smooth out volatility. There's no one-size-fits-all strategy. Find what works for you. Stay informed. Crypto moves fast. Follow trusted sources like Shiba Insights for updates. The SHIB journey is just beginning. Education and discipline are your best tools. Share your SHIB strategy in the comments.